Locubrifoles. The dodo, Raphis cucullatus, was a large, flightless bird that lived on Mauritius Island.
Dodos stood about 1 meter tall and weighed around 10 to 18 kilograms. Their heavy, round bodies made them slow movers.
They had grayish feathers, short wings, a large hooked beak, and stout legs.
Dodos lived only on Mauritius Island, surrounded by dense forests, rocky hills, and fruit-bearing trees.
Being endemic, dodos were found nowhere else in the world, making them special to the island's ecosystem.
Mauritius had tropical forests, shrubs, and jungle areas filled with fruit trees, nuts, and seeds that the dodos relied on for survival.
Dodos were mainly herbivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, and roots. They used their strong beaks to crush hard foods.
With tiny wings, dodos could not fly. They lived mostly on the ground, walking around forests and hills.
The dodo's large hooked beak allowed it to crush hard fruits and seeds. It was their primary tool for feeding.
Dodos built simple nests on the forest floor, laying one egg at a time, hidden under vegetation to protect from any threat.
They likely formed monogamous pairs, staying together during the breeding season to care for their eggs and young. Baby dodos were dependent on adults for food and protection until they became strong enough to survive alone.
Before humans, dodos had no natural enemies, which made them slow, unafraid, and vulnerable to new threats.
Humans arrived in Mauritius in the late 16th century, bringing hunting pressure and new animals that disrupted the dodo's environment.
Animals brought by humans ate dodo eggs and young chicks, which accelerated their decline. By the late 17th century, dodos became extinct, less than 100 years after humans arrived.
Today, the dodo is a symbol of human-caused extinction. It reminds us to protect wild.
Today, the dodo symbol reminds us to protect wildlife and fragile ecosystems.